just don't even like the new ideas. I don't like them. We need ideas, people. People start thinking.
Okay, I really like the teacher criteria.
I really like reading in the library.
Our 6th graders and our 5th graders are going to begin soon the Tower of Books. They have different categories that they have to achieve to build their tower. Our 6th graders are doing an awesome job.
I really like the way Mr. McGuire teaches.
Hi, I'm Mr. McGuire, and in music class right now, we are getting ready for our play.
I like the way Mrs. Fatigue does stuff.
Do in room 209 is using the calm space. So the calm space is for any student that is frustrated, angry, mad, or just having a hard time in the classroom, or sometimes things might be happening at home. So you can come use the calm space and talk about it and fidget with some toys.
Nolan, great thinking. I'm probably going to give you a promotion after this. Jaylee, what do you have in mind?
I don't have anything off the top of my head. Oh, I got it! Clubs! I love the clubs here.
Well, at Hoover, we have Club Fridays. Every kid at Hoover gets to go to a club every Friday. We start at 7:45 and clubs are over at 8:30. So nobody misses out at Hoover on clubs.
So good. I think we might get put into the big ranks with all the other buildings. But wait, cameraman, what was your idea?
Oh, I think that we should include something about the dances.
Oh, that's a really good idea. Do you have any ideas about what we should include about the dances?
Well,
We have dances, one dance a month. This month we're having a Halloween dance. We'll have a Christmas dance. We had a beginning of the year dance. We have a dance every month, and those are lots of fun.
here at Hoover, we have a wide selection of sports, even basketball and football, especially in PE. I like all the stuff our school includes.